After receiving the device, please check whether the device is intact, whether the accessories are complete. First, let's introduce the accessories: main motor, monitor, skin analysis, suction handle, spade knife, ultrasonic, spray gun, gold collagen, ice hammer, suction tips, solution bottle of spray gun, backup clean needle, water injection pipe, overflow pipe, A, B, C solution bottle, D, solution bottle, wastewater bottle, power cable. Please add water before use. Add water and drain method. Pull out the D solution bottle and wastewater bottle at the back of the machine. Then insert the water injection pipe into the water injection hole on the left. Insert the overflow pipe into the overflow hole on the right. After lifting the water injection pipe, add water into it. When water overflows, it proves that the water tank is full. After the water from the overflow outlet has flowed out, unplug the two hoses. Then push the D solution bottle and the wastewater bottle into the slot. The water in the tank should be changed every 2 months. Need to open the plug under the machine first, till the water in the tank is completely drained. Put the plug back in. Add water in the same way as before. Assembly instruction: plug the handle cable into the corresponding jack. I said iron gun pen, iron bubble pen, spade knife, ultrasonic, gold RF, camera, spade knife, ultrasonic, gold RF. Need to tighten the nuts. Place the handles on the bracket above the machine after installment. Place the monitor into the recess. Connect the USB port and power cord. Place solution bottles A, B, and C into the groove in the middle of the instrument counterclockwise from left to right. Twist the solution bottle clockwise to remove it. The button in the middle is used to select different solutions A, B, C, D. The knobs on the left and right sides respectively adjust the suction power and water flow rate of the iron bubble pen. The first use of a new machine requires internet connection and program updates. Click on Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. To upgrade the keyboard and language, first click Settings and find the language and input method. Enter the language. Find the required language in Add a Language and add it. Then drag it to the top. The code in the lower right corner is for program upgrade. Black color, enter upgrade code 2001. Gray color 4001, white color 0000. Next is interface introduction. Enter the login system. The lower left corner is the sound switch. Language is for choose languages. 14 languages are available. Click the upper right corner to return to the main menu. The password of the device is 123,456. Click to enter the main menu. Click the skin analysis to enter the skin analysis system. VIP system, start analysis, product, setting. Click VIP system to add members' information. Customers with membership information can directly test it in their personal information. Test results can be saved automatically. How to find historical test reports in the customer's personal information. Click on the customer's personal information and find the yellow icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click to enter the historical test report. Can also be shared via Bluetooth. The method is as follows. First, turn on Bluetooth. The second step is to turn on the Bluetooth of the Android phone. Connect and pair the device. After successful transmission of report, PDF pictures can be found in the photo album of your phone. Click the plus in the upper right corner to add member information. The arrow button below returns to the previous page. Non-VIP can directly click Start Analysis for skin testing. After entering the test interface, follow the prompts above to test the 6 locations. The option in the lower right corner is single point detection. After obtaining the skin pictures, click to start analyzing. There are 6 different type options above. The middle is the analysis report. Click the upper left corner to return to the main menu. Click Product. Click Plus. In the upper right corner, can add product information. Enter the name, category, price, function, add picture to add products. Click Suction Handle. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Start and pause. Adjust temperature. Waste solution bottle status. When the icon flashes, need to empty waste water bottle. The knobs from left to right are used to adjust the suction power, solution selection and water flow adjustment. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Click Spade Knife. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Start and pause. Energy mode. M1 is continuous mode. M2 and M3 are pulse modes with different frequencies. The following is the energy adjustment. Energy adjustment range 1 to 10. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Click ultrasonic. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Pause. Energy mode. M1 is continuous mode. M2 and M3 are pulse modes with different frequencies. The following is the energy adjustment. Energy adjustment range 1 to 10. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Click Spray Gun. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Pause. Adjust the spray energy at the handle nozzle. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Click Gold Collagen. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Start and pause. Energy. Energy adjustment range 1 to 20. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Click Ice Hammer. Automatically start. On the right side, can adjust time. Start and pause. Energy. Energy adjustment range -10 to 10. Negative number means ice mode. Positive number means hot mode. Return to main menu in upper right corner. Operation process. Preparation before operation. Wrap hair with towel. Remove necklaces and other items from your body. Place the towel on your chest with a double fold. To avoid getting clothes wet, detect facial skin first. Remove the cover from the skin analysis camera. Click Skin Analysis. Click Start Analysis. Place the skin analysis camera on the reminded area. Click the camera button on the handle. Follow the prompts on the top of the screen to take photos in sequence. Observe the client's skin condition based on the test results. Recommend suitable products. After testing, take off the spray gun. Fill with a refreshing and thin toner, which suitable for the client's skin. Adjust the spray energy. Then start operation. This requires covering the client's mouth, nose and eyes. Pat gently while spraying. Then apply the blackhead removal solution to the area where blackheads need to be removed for 5-8 minutes. After the blackhead surface, take off the suction handle. 9 suction tips can choose. Those with thin or sensitive skin can choose silicone tips. Normal skin can use plastic head. For thicker skin, choose the scrub head. If you feel the suction is not enough, you can choose a large tip. Otherwise, choose small tips. Choose a suitable suction tip and install it on the suction handle. Choose the suitable solution. ABCD solution bottle can be filled with different toners or distilled water used for suction handle. Can choose cleansing or anti-inflammatory products. Can also be directly filled with purified water. Test the suction and water flow on your hand first. Adjust to the suitable one. Only then can operate on the client's face. According to client's feeling to choose different operation ways, fixed point, rotation, or slide to operate. After operation is completed, for people who have a lot of dead skin cells on their face, apply exfoliating products to the areas that need exfoliation. Take off spade knife. Remove the protective case. Click spade knife. Use spade knife to remove dead skin. Can push or pull. The energy need to be adjusted from low to high, to the suitable energy according to the client's actual feelings. This handle needs to be slid close to the skin. Do not stay in one place for a long time. This handle is not suitable for sensitive skin or areas with thin stratum corneum. After cleaning, use ice hammer to shrink pores. Wipe away any remaining product on the face. After applying essence or pore shrinking products, use the ice hammer to adjust to ice mode. Shrink pores and lock in nutrients and water. Ice mode can also be specially used for calming and soothing, such as allergic skin, red and swollen skin, inflammatory skin, skin after sunburn, skin after photoelectric operation, etc. Hot mode can open pores and introduce nutrients. After moisturizing and shrinking pores, apply essence or nutritional products to the skin. Take off ultrasonic handle. Click to start. Using facial 5-line lifting method to import product. Repeat 3-5 times on each part. The energy need to be adjusted from low to high, to the suitable energy according to the client's actual feelings. This handle needs to be operated by sliding, and cannot stay in one place for a long time. After product import, apply essence to face. Use the gold collagen handle to lift the face using the 5-line lifting method. Can also be used with anti-aging massage creams, or lotions and creams. Repeat 3-5 times on each part. The energy need to be adjusted from low to high, to the suitable energy according to the client's actual feelings. This handle needs to be operated by sliding, and cannot stay in one place for a long time. During operation process, the energy and operation methods need to be adjusted according to the test report and client's feelings. Device care. Clean the device after use. The suction tips need to be cleaned out of the dirt and disinfected with alcohol. The spray gun needs to be refilled with 50-60 degree hot water and then sprayed completely. To avoid pipe blockage, if the pipe is blocked, can use a clean needle to clear it. Other handles can be wiped clean with physiological saline. Take and put the handles gently. Do not select any bottle when the device is not in use. Adjust the gas and water to the minimum. Turn off the switch. Unplug the power cord.